How to use American Express gift card on Amazon. American Express gift cards can be used on Amazon just like any other credit card. Let me show you exactly how to add and use your Amex gift card for Amazon purchases. First, make sure your Amex gift card is activated. Most Amex gift cards come pre-activated, but some may require you to call the number on the back or visit the activation website listed on the card sticker. Also, you need to register your gift card with your name and zip code. Go to the American Express gift card website and enter your card details. This registration is required before you can use the card online, including on Amazon. Now go to Amazon.com and sign into your account. Hover over Accounts and Lists and click on your payments. This opens your payment methods page. Click on Add a payment method and select credit or debit card. Enter your Amex gift card number, expiration date, and CVV. Use your registered name and billing zip code. Amazon will verify the card with a small temporary charge. This charge is usually $1 and will be refunded. Once verified, your Amex gift card will appear in your payment methods list. One important thing to know is that Amex gift cards have a maximum balance. If your purchase costs more than the card balance, the payment may be declined. To solve this, you can combine your Amex gift card with another payment method using an Amazon gift card balance. Simply add your Amex gift card funds to your Amazon gift card balance. Go to your account, click Gift Cards, and select Reload Your Balance. Choose your Amex gift card as the payment source. Now the full balance is in your Amazon account. When checking out, select Amazon gift card balance as your payment method. Any remaining amount will be charged to your default card on file. Using an Amex gift card on Amazon is simple. Just activate, register, add to your payment methods, and you are ready to shop. Thanks for watching.